Now I went and done it. Okay, the hood's back on, and I thought, oh, well, it never would lock down well in my 2 weeks of ownership. So I adjusted the receiver under here that's bolted to the car. Ooh, bad idea, because I tried it once or twice and I was getting close, and then I made it a little too tight. Close it. Haven't had the hood open since. The hood is stuck shut. I have tried prying on it. I've tried wrestling it. I've tried up and down with that side. I have strong armed this hood from all directions, and I can't get it open. So now I've got it wedged open as far as it comfortably will go with this wood block, and I can see the bolts inside there. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to make an extension for this Craftsman wrench with a ratchet, and I'm going to get at the mechanism that's right here, and I'm going to try to get myself out of this mess, because I have no other recourse but to fix my mistakes. From this side, you can see such a tease. You can actually see the bolt in there that I need to, the 2 bolts in there I need to reach. Anyways, right inside here, past this block of wood, way over there, are the bolts I need to reach. And so I've measured it with a piece of rod, and so what I figured out is if we weld this wrench with the flexible head, this beautiful wrench, to this wrench, and I'm going to weld it on the outside here and here on the outside so it doesn't mess up this wrench when I grind it off later someday. But right now, to get out of this mess, my hood is locked shut. I know there's a dirty sock down there and a couple of nuts. They can't stay. You have to move out. I got to get myself out of this jam. Well, folks, play the wedding music. Oh. Still play it. Want to weld it just like this. Just like that. Just gonna weld it right. Oh no, I'm not gonna weld it. I was threatening to weld it. Okay, now I'm gonna weld it. I'm making a tool in 3, 2, 1. You can do it. I missed. Look. I closed my eyes and zapped. I'm gonna give classic. I'm gonna give it one more shot. After we cut on it a little bit. This needs to be a strong tool. That was a little better. Let's give it a little bit more. It's hard to weld with your eyes closed, for me anyway. Alright, so that's good right there. And then right where this clamp is, let's zap it one more time. Just move these things around. Try to get the right in behind here. Now the object is not to ruin this wrench, but this wrench is the expendable one. So, okay, close your eyes. Oh, look at that. Try again. Give it a little bit of wiggle. All right. Well, I think that should be enough to give it the get myself out of this jam. This is what we call the 1/2-inch flexible ratcheting custom extension. Whew. All right, well, my tool is quite hot. I don't know if you guys can say that about yourself truly, but this is one hot tool, but I'm about to put it to use because having a cool muscle car from the 60s that has the hood stuck because you thought you were doing, well, you were doing trial and error on how to adjust a Corvette hood, and then you got burned. But all right, I am going to try to reach in there and see what's up. So let's see. Yeah, that is one hot tool. That it's burning through my glove right there. I think we'll be okay. I can see the nuts in there. And what I did is I loosened them, and I just was trying to get the adjustment on this hood latch. And now the latch is stuck up in the hood. All up in the hood, like a lot of things that are stuck in the hood. But this one, man, is the pin for the adjusting. Okay, I'm trying to get it. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, you can do it. All right. So it's right on top. I think I need to get this hood up higher. Ah, I need to see better. All right, this is the how-to on when you get your Corvette hood stuck. What do? You make a tool. Oh, well, oh shit. Oh, I'm grinding on stuff under here. I'm making fiberglass. Oh, anyways, while you're reaching my ass off, I almost got one of this. I'm almost out of breath. Yay! Oh, what a joy! Look, there's that dirty sock. You made you dirty sock. All right, I'm pretty excited. Yeah, so that's what I did. And then loosen this. The pop is this thing letting go. Really set. Really set.
So anyways, I gotta watch mine. So really based on this recipe, how do I get this up? It's hard to get this thing set. I think in order to start a properly, you have to take a spring off. Set it and then just find the corner and then installing the wheel it was really difficult, but we got it like good. I couldn't do it. The worst thing that happened was Chevy life right now. Oh my gosh. So it's always something.